Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to improve gaming performance on your Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing we need to do is to head over to our phone settings. So I'm going to simply scroll down right here and then make sure I click on my settings right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here on the search right here. What you need to do is to simply type in my phone. Then you have my phone right here. Simply click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and go to fashion info. Click on fashion info. It's going to take you right here. What you need right here under build number, continue to tap it until you enter developer mode. All right, so after a successful enable developer mode on your Android phone, next thing you want to do is to head over back to your phone settings. So I'm going to simply scroll down right here and click on my settings again. So it's going to take me right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on search. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply type in developer. Then right here we have developer options. So I'm going to simply click on that. Then it's going to take me right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply scroll down, all the way down, all the way down, all the way down. I'm going to simply scroll down, down. Continue to scroll down until you get to force 4 times MSSA. So what you want to do is to simply turn on this particular button right here. So I'm going to simply turn it on. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.